Hi, I'm Nate.
And my name is Andrew. And welcome to Nate and Andrew's Cooking Show, where today we're going to make breakfast.
I'm going to make an egg in the hole, which is a very simple meal to make before school or work.
And I'm going to make monkey bread, which is a nice, easy meal to make for your entire family on a nice Sunday morning. Today, I just have a simple recipe that I got on the back of Pillsbury dough. Open her up. Just peel this stuff off. These things are always fun to peel off too. A blast. Woo! Alright. So to start, I'll just do this one with you guys. Take these, cut them in quarters, each little biscuit. Today, this is the monkey bread. Cut this in quarters. And over here, I have a little mixture of cinnamon sugar. I'm going to mix it right up. I have 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and 3/4 cup of sugar. Now it's all mixed up. Now I take each of my quarter slices of the biscuit, roll it all in there, drop it in there. This is a little bit time consuming. That's why you do it on a Sunday morning, not before work. So you just keep on doing this for a while. And then, actually, before I keep on doing this, I'm going to set the oven. My handy dandy recipe says bake it on 350. Bake 350. Next, while I'm rolling this dough, why don't you come over here to Nate while he does the egg in the hole.
Alright, so to start off the egg in the hole, you want to get a piece of toast, some butter. You want to butter it on both sides. Very simple, but it's also really good. Try not to get butter on your hand, but if you do, YOLO. Alright, after you do that, you want to heat up your stove to about half of its highest power, so I put mine on 5. Then you want to set this down. Bring the old camera on over here. And you want to cut out about a medium-sized circle in the middle of it. Might be a little messy, but you want to save this part because you can stick it in the frying pan. Alright, after you butter both sides, everything is heated up, you stick her on in. Alright, next step. I'm going to take a simple egg. Wait for this to cook for a second. Alright, just cover it for a second.
So as we figured out, it's going to take a little bit to roll all this sugar on. So I got my handy dandy helper, friend Pete Sour, here to cut them into the little quarters. And I'm rolling. And I highly recommend you do this for when you cook it, because it cuts down the time by more than a half. So just make sure you do this. And over here, see how that egg in the hole is doing.
Alright, now that you've had this simmering on one side for about 2 to 3, or a minute and a half to 2 minutes, you want to flip it to the other side. That's when you want to crack the egg. Put it right in the center. You let that sit for about a minute. This is when you want to start turning it down, temperature-wise. You can start to get under it to see if the egg underneath is cooked. Once it has, that's when you want to start to flip it. Sorry. seems about ready to me. It's got to be quick. All right, there we go.
Here, Zach, you can bring it over here.
Kind of may have
Over here.
Still cutting.
Slicing and dicing. It's gonna be a little bit longer, ladies and gentlemen. We got guest taste tester, Gabby Kerr. We're gonna try out our egg in the hole.
I put cheese on my egg in the hole.
You're fine with it, work.
This is great.
Yay! Alright, after you've let it sit back in the frying pan for about a minute or two, you want to take it out and put it on a little plate. Then, that little piece that you cut out of the center, you can go ahead and fry that up too. That tastes really good if you put some salt on it. But yeah, there you go. Put some salt on that. Beautifulest thing you've ever seen.
Alright, so Nate's finishing up the monkey bread, and then I have 3/4 cup of brown sugar and half a cup of butter. And I'm going to mix them together. This is what we're going to be pouring on top. Take this, mix her all around. We'll be good to go in a second. Oh yeah, this gooey goodness is going to be perfect on top of my monkey bread.
You know how moist I like my monkey bread, Andrew.
Oh yeah, get it nice and mixed around. Oh yeah. You take this great scrumptious looking stuff. Oh, pour it on top. Get it all
You're gonna want to get up
around.
right here and see this.
All around. This is what really makes your monkey bread good. Just like this.
Hell
You
yeah.
just want to get a little bit of everywhere. If you got little spots, mix it around. Okay. So,
Like back on the farm.
here we go. Hey, will you open that oven for me? I got the oven preheated. I was set. Put her in. 40 minutes later, we'll have our thing. Alright, 40 minutes is over. Let's see how this baby turned out. Whew. It's looking pretty perfect. Not gonna lie. So let's see whether it actually comes out of the pan now. This is the test of fate. Oh shoot. Alright. Alright, yeah. So, she's not coming. Be scooping these sides out. Hopefully she'll come out now. I'm feeling it. It's gonna work. Here we go. Oh yeah! Yeah! Alright, we're just gonna scoop this out. It's just as good. Like, do you see this? Scrumptious, man.
Scrumptious.
Scrumptious. Mmm. Oh, yeah.
Oh. Hell yeah.
Gimme.
Are you still videotaping, man?
Yeah.
Sweet. So here we almost got the whole thing out. Almost there. Alright, it should plop down now. So, clear the lane. Mitts back on.
Permission to come aboard, Captain.
Alright, let's...
Well.
Okay, we had a spill. Alright. There we go. It's done.
Damn, it didn't quite come out the way.
Thanks for coming, guys.
Right here.
Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Nice gooey piece of monkey bread. Oh. I would eat again. I think I'll give you one more shot of it. Let's get a nice gooey